fucking good. That felt really good. Hell yeah, that felt good as fuck. Woohoo! Yeah, buddy. Oh, that felt real good. Woo! Yeah, boy. Oh, that felt good. Hell yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, that felt really good. That has to be my best time.
37.
What?
37.
37. No way, dude. No fucking way. 737. Hell yeah, dude. Damn it, boy. Woo, she's skating now. Hell yeah, look at that. 737. Yeah. Oh yeah, buddy. 7.3, baby. Woo! Hell yeah. 99.8. Look at that. Damn it, boy. Oh, that was good. Oh, that was real good. Hell yeah. My man Jason with the sauce. Damn it, boy. Oh, hell. That was fucking fast. Now let's see when you hit 100. 737, 99.85 with a 0.02 reaction. Damn it, boy. Oh, that was good right there. You see that shit?
That was a solid hit, bro.
Look at that shit.
That was
Now
a
you
solid hit,
gotta
bro.
push for 6s now.
Yeah, I know. I'm gonna go get my hood and ride back up there. Hell yeah. Well, we got Miata Khalifa up here at Greer. Actually made a couple passes on the spray. Everything's working great. Jason made a little changes to the tune, and dude, it's fast. So I'll show you what we're at right now. I went ahead and recorded on the GoPro. Hopefully we got some good footage, but it's our best time so far. Can you see it? 737. Look at that. This thing's fast. So we're getting closer to that 6.9. But Jason's out here tuning everything. Over there tuning the donk. We got Paul out here about to make some passes. Got Darren here. Yeah, dude. Y'all should check out Paul's video. He just ran Streetcar Takeover.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, dude.
It was a good time out there, man. There's a lot of fast cars out there, though. Hard to
Yeah, yeah. He lifted a front tire. It looks so badass.
I mean, for being an A, that's not too bad.
Dude, that's great. That's amazing.
We loaded on the trailer, you know, so.
On IRS, dude. That's crazy, dude.
Yeah, so we're getting there. We're getting it figured out.
Yeah, dude.
Hooked up.
Oh yeah, dude.
He's tuning the street tune now, so.
Yeah.
Loaded that. We'll see how it goes.
It's awesome, dude.
So I only had one pass on that tune, and
Yeah.
the boards never showed my time.
Yeah.
So I have no idea what I ran.
Oh, true that.
Today we'll be running as fast as you.
Yeah, dude. Hell yeah, dude. Yeah, we need to try to get a little run in
I'd be up for
before the night's over. Yeah. Yeah, that's gonna be fun.
that. Yeah, man. Keep the sticker too. So
Yeah.
big shout out to
Yeah.
Jason, man. That's his YouTube channel.
Oh, that's awesome, dude.
Yeah,
I need one of those.
I'll get you one.
Yeah, dude, for sure.
We gotta give him some love, dude, because he's been, man, all weekend. I was there. I was like, dude, the car did this. Here's the video. Here's the tune I ran. He's like,
Yeah.
try this one. He sent me another tune on the spot, dude. Like,
Yeah, dude. Same here, dude. We've been emailing back and forth all week.
he's been great support. So
Oh yeah, dude.
gotta give him his props. Dude, he's making the cars go faster.
Yeah, he is.
I mean, this thing's
Yeah, dude. He's doing it right now. Over there hard at work.
exactly.
Yeah, dude. Hawks Motorsports, baby.
That's right.
Yeah, dude.
How come they're not running any cars though?
I don't know. I haven't been paying attention to what's going on. Oh, they're prepping the track right now.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, we'll have some good fresh prep.
Oh, yeah.
Is there a lot of people out there?
There's not too many, so tonight hasn't been that bad. I haven't waited in line. It's starting to fill in a little bit, but not a whole lot of people are running. More people are watching tonight.
Okay.
So,
I want to set up the suspension.
yeah, dude.
that Jason's car?
Yeah, right there.
Damn, I forgot his sticker too. I'm gonna put my stuff in there.
I need one of those, dude.
What's that?
One of those stickers.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna get you one, dude.
Yeah, dude, that's awesome.
I made that one just quick so that way I can get it done for the event.
That's great, dude.
And we'll get you set up.
Yeah, dude, I appreciate it. Check out Garage Dad Talk on YouTube. Subscribe, like, share, all that good stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There'll be a lot of more fun stuff. I mean, Barry's motivated me to do a whole lot.
Yeah, dude.
I might actually be doing a little something at the end of this year, so we'll see.
Yeah. Yeah. Stay tuned, dude. Good stuff to come. Do you care if I record?
Oh, no, go ahead, man.
Hell
I'm
yeah.
trying to get my butt cracked.
Alright, you sit right here.
So we're trying to get this bad boy up and running right now. The Iron Man.
Iron Man.
Yeah. A64 box Chevy, yo.
Javon down. Javon down.
Look at this thing. Oh my goodness. That looks like it's straight out of a garbage truck. Yeah.
It wasn't until
That's awesome. Yeah, dude. I donated my handheld so we can upload a tune.
Alright.
Trying to get my mans up and going over here.
This thing's gonna be a lot of fun.
Yeah. There we go. Did it work?
dude, I got scared, man. We went to go do an update, and it just like killed the bootloader and everything.
Oh God.
Oh, yeah, I was like, oh,
No.
you got the 3.5 on there. You can force it back in.
Okay.
Oh,
Thank God.
Thank you, Barry.
Yeah, dude.
My ass.
Hell yeah, dude.
Yeah. Throw whatever you need to in there, man.
Yeah, man. See, we got Jason tuning everything, dude.
Yeah, we got a little squad over here.
Dr. Tune 'em all. Oh yeah, we missed the Fox body over there.
Hey, you guys
Twin
know
turbo
about
Fox.
TV tonight.
Yeah, I did. Yeah. Yeah, dude.
Oh, an hour too.
We're gonna see if we can go out there and hit a 7.2 now. Oh yeah, that's great. All right, well, we'll check back in a little bit. Hopefully, we'll get some more good run footage in. Go, Paul. That was a good one. Oh yeah, that was a good one right there. Hell yeah. Oh, that felt great. Dude, we just beat a donk. What the hell? Damn it, boy. Oh, that felt good. Woo, we fast now. Woo! Saucy! Yeah, boy. Damn, it felt good. Oh, dude, that had, I don't know what the time is. That felt really good, though. That felt so good. Really?
Yeah.
Hell yeah. I'm happy with that. That was good. Yeah. Alright, it was a slower time, but that felt good as fuck. 742. Yeah. Hell yeah. I don't know. We'll try and get one more in, I guess. That felt good. What's our temperature at? 197. Oh, we're good. We're good. All we gotta do is pop the hood for a little bit. Oh yeah, that felt real good. Hell yeah. Yeah, boy. All right, well, that's cool. At least we got one more hit in. That felt really good. He always does that. As soon as I get up here, stops me and lets everybody else go. Temperature needs to come down a little bit, but I think it'll be all right. Yeah, we're staying around 203. And it's not horrible. I'd like it to get a little cooler though. Let's turn it off for a second. Oh, Darren's about to run. And I think we're gonna go now. Us now? All right, here we go. That felt good. That felt real good. Oh, that felt really good. Oh, dude, we're in there now, man. Oh my God, it feels so good. We're in there, dude. All the way. Woo! Yeah! Yeah, buddy. I hope y'all can see as good as I could. I had to keep looking down to see my little yellow light, so I shift. I hope these videos come out good. God, that feels so good. 53? That's okay. It's a little slower, but that's okay. It feels good. Well, we a little slower. 0.03 reaction ain't too bad. That ain't too bad. We beat that Mustang though. Oh, you ran an 8.4. 7.5. Hey, at least we hit a 7.3. I'm happy with that. That was good. I think I smell coolant. We're gonna give her a break. She's at 209. We might be lifting ahead. So we're gonna take it easy. Let's go ahead and cut this bad boy off. I'm happy with it. All right, well, we hot lapped her a bit too much and we think the head's lifted, but it took a while. Got a really big fan in front of it and let it cool down and heat cycled it a little bit, started up, and it finally got down to like 190, so that's good. And then it got up to 245, but yeah, I think we're good now. It's back to normal. We put a little more water in, so I'm gonna end this one here now. And as always, I appreciate you watching. Thanks for subscribing. We'll see you on the next one. Later, y'all.